First I used a toothbrush to sprinkle the blue and the purple blacklight paint on my chest. Also check how it will look in the blacklight later. The difference is significant. After we finish with that, we start to do the dragon. The base in white and then the contours in purple. Fill in the spots where there is no white yet. Let's do the face makeup. In my opinion, the dragon didn't show up enough, so I surrounded it with fire in orange. For my hands, I used orange again, since I like how it glows in the dark later. During the shoot I realized that I hadn't enough color on my eyes, so I used the orange color again to put some color on my eyelashes. I didn't film that, so that's why I just showed you some pictures. So in normal light again. I love that look. I love to work with the black lighting, and I had a really nice cameraman this time, so thank you. I link his Instagram in the description below as well as mine, like always, you know those things. And I wanted to do a look like this again, and I will do as soon as I can go out again and shoot with other people. And yes, leave a like, subscribe, write a comment, share, and yes, we'll see us next time.